Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing some useful kitchen products and organizers from Meesho. So in Meesho, you can find each and every product at very reasonable price. And if you like any of these products, please download Meesho app from the link in description box. By doing so, you can get 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. So come, let's see the products now. So these are 4-in-1 storage containers, set of 2. You can store 4 different food items in a single container. Thus it can be a space saving option for your kitchen cabinet. 4 different colors of lids make this container look pretty and unique. They are airtight, BPA free and made up of non-toxic plastic. Also dishwasher safe, good in quality. A very useful kitchen organizer. You can store any food item, coffee powder, tea powder, nuts, sugar, rice, pulses, cereals, and whenever you just need them, just open the lid and the food item is ready to collect. Next, I ordered these stainless steel organizers, combo of 2. Both of them are sturdy and can be used to utilize vertical space. They can be placed in any corner of home, kitchen, bathroom, under sink, utility room, home office, hobby and craft room according to your requirement. They are made up of steel and are rust free, very durable. Sleek design gives an elegant and appealing look. I am personally using this corner rack to organize pans and these 2-tier rack to organize salt, spices and oil containers on my kitchen countertop. They are best for the price and highly recommended. So these are a set of 2 storage containers with push buttons. I got them in 2 beautiful colors, green and blue. They can be mounted on kitchen wall using this adhesive holder which is provided along with this container. It can be filled with any of food item like cornflakes, rice, sugar, cereals, pulses, beans, nuts, oatmeal, grains, etc. And when you need it, just press this button to collect the food item that is placed inside, and you can also easily refill it when empty. Stylish design, easy to use, strong adhesive. These containers are time and space saving. You can mount them anywhere, kitchen countertop, table, desk, cupboard, making the area more functional. Good in quality, these containers are bright, colorful and adds modern look and beauty to your kitchen. So this is 3-piece dispenser set and these are 3 transparent containers. One of them has oil brush and the other one honey dispenser and the other one has spoon in it. So these containers can be used for different purposes accordingly. So these are dip in oil and honey dispensers with silicone heads. And the third container can be used for storing sugar, salt, ghee, spices or pickle, etc. So these are made up of good quality plastic. Lid is also airtight, BPA free and dishwasher safe. New design, simple and elegant. This seasoning organizer is very reasonably priced and must have space saver for your kitchen. This is 4-in-1 rotary drum grater cum slicer. It is a simple to use kitchen tool to make your chores easy. It comes with 4 adjustable drum like plates which can be used according to your need. It is hand operated and requires no batteries. The suction cup at the feet of the machine can be used to fix at any flat surface making it stable for smooth functioning. It is very useful for shredding, grating, slicing or peeling food items like cheese, vegetables, chocolates, nuts evenly in different ways. Also, it is very easy to clean, very reasonably priced. This is a very useful kitchen tool. This is foldable wooden rack with 3 decks. This multi-purpose rack can be used as decor stand or bookshelf. This gives immense look and adds beauty to the space. I personally use this as planter stand in my balcony. My little garden looks great now. It can also be placed at any corner of your home, thus bringing a sleek and stylish look to that area. It can also be used in offices or shops to display their products, but it is very small in size. I wish it is a bit larger in size, and you can easily unfold it and keep aside in a corner so as to save space when not needed. Good in quality and quite worth buying for its price. And this is a 4-tire slim storage trolley, portable and can be placed anywhere in your home. This is available in different sizes, 2, 3, 4 and 5 layers. So multi-purpose organizer for home and kitchen. It requires little effort for assembling but is very easy to use. It can be used in kitchen to organize your spices or as a pantry or to store all your food items. Due to its slim design, you can slide it easily in and out in any narrow space. So can be used in other areas of home like bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, office space to utilize space to its maximum extent. Equipped with rolling wheels, you can slide around easily and move from one place to other. This is available in different sizes and colors. A must-have product and price is also very reasonable. Quality is good and it totally worth the price.
Meesho is India's most favorite app to buy top quality products at lowest prices. In this app, you can find more than 50 lakhs products. You can find a wide range in various categories like women's wear, kids wear, men's wear, kitchen, home decor, organization, fashion, and many more. You can also earn money from this app by sharing and reselling your products to your contacts from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Please download Meesho app from the link in description box. By doing so, you can get a discount of 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. Additionally, you can get free delivery on all orders. Cash on delivery and easy returns are also available.
So friends, that was my Meesho haul on kitchen products and organizers. I hope this video is useful, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Until then, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.